Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, on this beautiful day, Dwayne is speaking about, a lot of things that he's been going through and, things that he is doing and he's been getting, even though people are going up against him. Basically, he's saying that he don't have to work a day in his life. Basically, he don't have to be on social media to get the money that he's getting because he's fully covered. He's taken care of, well taken care of. And so, that's that. So, guys, go and catch the video. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays, have a happy, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my dads, my fathers out there that are supporting their kids, taking care of their kids, oh wow. I just want to say happy, happy Father's Day to you. Shout out to you. I wish you guys a wonderful, wonderful day. Now, remember that, taking care of your kids is not only the first step, but having the kids, I'm sorry, is not only the step, but taking care of them and being there for them is, So thank you so much for being the great dads you are out there. Happy, happy Father's Day. We salute you. Yes. And for all my other lovelies, guys, I just want to say have yourselves a wonderful day. It's Father's Day. Um, Please ensure that we are taking the time out, to give that love and support and just enjoying our dads because, for people like me who are, my dad has passed away, it's something that, we are sad on this day, especially when your dad takes care of you. So guys, have yourself a beautiful day and take care of your dad while you have them. Have a great day now.
I've never cleaned feces for buck 2 or 3. Never. I've never pushed a broom or a mop for buck 2 or 3. My mother, Maureen Daly, sent me to school to get my education. Hence why I was able to acquire top jobs. I've worked alongside counselors, local government counselors. I've worked alongside top barristers. I've worked alongside solicitors, aka lawyers. At a point in my life, I was a training legal executive. In America, you call those people paralegals. I'm a qualified accountant slash... I'm not telling no more. You can chat to me. You go away. Gone are those days. I wish I could put on my suit and go to work and show them how it's done. Listen, I would never come out here, come big like I'm blind. I realize for them people out here, come and go like some money. I'm beg you, beg. Beg you, go away. You can chat to me. How much you can say on a mama buying a car for more than 14,000? Just bringing that show and saying, what car you want? You say, one day. Wham! 14,000. Radam cash. On a go away. So not on a paparized. I am mad, no. That's what I did about what you want to live in a people's shadow. You can't chat to me. On a move, none of you, none of the big back people can't chat to me. No, I've never cleaned shite. At the end of my life, never cleaned shite. I've never mopped a ground or clean on a go away. On a outside and bright. Who are you again? Oh wait, nobody. Oh yeah, actually nobody. That's it. Me telling you, me now I lift one finger for the rest of my life, for the rest of my days on this earth, for the rest of my days on this earth. Let me speak proper English for those in the back can hear me very well. For the rest of my life on this earth, this miserable planet we call Earth. For the rest of my life, I don't have to lift one spoon. Set my backside and just collect. Collect. Only think I joke. On think I joke though. I know you think I'm joking. I know you think I'm joking. I'm not. Me lay down comfortable. I'm laying down comfortable right now, and I'm saying the things I'm saying for a reason. How much days now I've not been on social media? A wallop. Which one of you can brag and say on the don't have to compare? Cause if you don't compare, on don't get no money, on don't get no money. Every day we God make on have to compare. Uno have to compare. I don't. Chat to the lean up boy nice. I'm still raw and I'm fluffy like an English pound. On a blind. My girls, wagwan, my girls, wagwan. On a golden great, I love you, I love all of you. Hey, they're trying so hard to study me. On a can't study me. None of you can study me. Not one of you. It's, you know, I realize. On a go and try study me. If on a might mad out, on actually might mad out. On a can't study my movement neither. Not the my compare like a ghost and take myself like a ghost too. Don't you see? When you can't chat to me. Now for no, all I can do is live in people's shadows. Continue boo. Continue living their shadows. I don't have to. I'm now better go into that part there. And this my girls, what happened on the good? Bright. You know, I don't want to come in here. I actually don't want to come in here because I'm tired of these people and they get on my nerves. I'm not lying. All of them get on my nerves and I don't like. In fact, I detest all of you. Respectfully, I detest all of you people who has platforms. In fact, most of you, I detest you. Which means I don't want to come on here and be seeing your videos or your pages. I just don't. Because if I see your videos and your pages, it's only going to trigger me to want to come out here and speak about you. And I don't want to speak about you because, let's be real, none of you are important. You're not that important. Oh, hello, Fenty here's on the way, guys. When them are study, you are study. No, girl, I don't study them. I don't study them. Maybe before me used to look on them, but I don't study them. Right about now, I'm living my best life. I'm having fun and I'm laughing uncontrollably every night. You know, today my guy bed 8 a. I went to my bed 8 a.m. Big up to my friend Emerald. Emerald! Emerald! My good girl, you big up you, Emerald girl, period. What happened? On a clown, not a sense. But I live in a people's shadow on a damn idiot. Big up to my friend Alex. Big up to my friend T-Boy. Big up to Jeremiah Able Beach. Okay. Big up to my Abby Love, period. In the mama. Isa Oshay. On a clown. On not living the life on a go away. Go live on a life. Go and live on a life. On a damn fool. But I live in a people's shadow. People don't don't even know the people them. On the don't even know it. You see, when they know the people them, it wouldn't be this bad. But on the don't know the people, every day, on a big man and big woman want to come out, on a war people on the don't. So on I eat that. On that sense. So why should I continue? Why should I continue? Why should I get up every day and be consuming on a nastiness? Why should I get up every day and be consuming while I'm on a nastiness? So no, go away, go get that damn left. Nothing, no realize, time waits for none of us. And now we pound like every day we look upon this one on a hole on a grape about on a cacalina, about on a cackering club. On the realize on a whole fall, a whole hyena, a whole cow, chuck. No realize. Why? My God. Oh, no realize it. Oh, no, don't realize. Nicole, girl, what, babes? I missed you, Nicole. I missed you. To my girls, Yolanda over here? Yolanda, girl, I love you. K, girl, I love you, yo. Why you look like you were crying? Me, girl. Which part? No, Carol. What happens is right because the weather has changed, right? Like I realize this weather, it makes me itch my eyes sometimes, and sometimes it's just like it's not cute. So I cry for it, girl. I'm gonna go alpha. The only thing about is if one of my family members pass away, one of my family or my significant other breaks up with me, then that will give me reason to cry because I don't want it to happen. So why the backside? Why should I cry for people? Carol, why you say that, girl? Why you say that? Carol, why did you say that, girl? I'll make her say that. I'm lost. Mighty God. Then one land there, I want my girls them. Oh, I just remember nothing you was fake anyway. Nothing you was fake and phony. Nothing you was faker than the wares made over in China. That's what I'm glad I found a gun for true. I'm so happy I found a gun. Or should have gone long last time because I don't know whether I come on the come over here come egg me on like so only want me bring on people and I only want go and bring them down on yourself, go bring them down on yourself and come off a ass page. You know, I'm telling a long time, nothing I forgot build page, you know. I'm telling I forgot build on one page long time. I'm glad the founders is listening to me now and go and build on the one page. Go and use your own page to bring down people. Leave me out. Up top, Nicole, let's be honest. There's some over here. Me know in my heart. Said them is with me and with me 100%. But I'm telling you, snuff of them. Listen, remember, no, we used to pull 500, 600, 1,000 people one time, but I have 4,000 people on live one time. You know, enough of them they used to come because they want we help them bring down people. I saw the figure them see them though. It's hey, you see enough on the wicked enough on a wicked. Why should I want to? Oh no, go on the wicked self. I am not wicked. Oh no, wicked. I don't know the wicked one them. I'm glad me draw for the wall on. I'm so glad I pull away from a lot of you because you was very evil and nasty people. I'm being serious. And I'm so happy a lot of you's gone too. I'm very happy a lot of you are now gone. Let me take my little time and build my page from the ground up. And hopefully I will attract the real, authentic people to my page who's going to like me for me and not because I'm over here helping to bring down people. No, go bring down people down there myself. I'm good. I'm amazing. I'm doing so much better, guys. I promise you, I'm doing so much better ever since I've removed myself from a lot of this toxic nonsense. When you going back to Jamaica, I don't know. You know, Carol, as you know, I have health issues, right? And I can't travel alone. If the only way I will go is if someone I know is traveling, then I'll travel with them. But apart from that, I will not go to Jamaica alone because I need help to do a lot of things, right? I don't know if you know, I need help to do things, right? I'm sure most times you guys see me going on a vacation is either with my sister or my mother or someone in my immediate family. I won't travel alone. I can't do that. That's gonna be too much hassle, and it's gonna take a way too. It's gonna take too much of a toll on me being in the position I am to be struggling with too. And bear in mind, when I know someone when I fly, I only go first class or club or something along that line. I'm not gonna economy because I need to bring two suitcase. So why should I struggle with two suitcase? Further, I can't. At least if I go with somebody, they can help me to maneuver them for me. And that's it. But people, I just want to come in here and tell you I miss you guys so much. You guys are, listen, I'm telling the truth. Ever since I removed myself from this toxic circle, I'm telling you, these people, they're very toxic. I don't care. You know, just the sooner a lot of you, people near and far, on the ear my good. Me know no found no don't like me. But me telling this, the sooner no found no draw on yourself and then people, yeah. I'm not saying to dislike them. I'm not saying to dislike them. But stop, get up every day. Stop getting up every day about to come out to come fight battles for people who you don't know. Go and live your life. Go live your damn best life. No, no, Carol. No, Carol. Me no like on a drama. Me just like some kind of drama. Cause them the drama them don't make no sense. And trust me, when I can change my page name back, I'm gonna change my page name back to trending drama because that's what I start with. And if and when I meant to leave this world. I want to leave. I want to leave this world knowing my name is trending drama because everyone knows me as trending drama. Enough me enough. I'm gonna change me. I'm damn fool for self. What I need, Carol. Carol. What I need, girl. I'm coming. I'm coming. Carol, I'm coming. You hear, girl? I'm coming. Give me a second. 1 second, there, Carol, girl. And Nicole. 1 second, and Nicole. Now let me talk. Oh. Yolanda alone are coming over here. So what if Yolanda? So what if it's Yolanda alone coming over here? As a talk, I got something I want to say about that. I got something I want to say about that. Well, I'm coming. I'm coming. All right, I'm coming back though. I am back. I am back. Okay. Let me put this live on my other page as well. And I don't care who wanna come. Whoever wanna come, come. Who don't wanna come, oh well. I just saw. I'm sure not all my followers in God. Some is still with me. Big up Michelle Ladonna. I love you, girl. I love you, Ladonna, girl. Always and forevermore, too. I just saw a post of you on my other page. That's